Who's the boss now? Me.
You?
Yeah.
You're the boss?
Yeah.
God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good when I'm alone.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Up?
It's the High Five family. Today we're gonna play Target Wars with our rival Nerf gun.
Yeah, we went out and bought a Nerf gun. It's pretty sick. It's like automatic and puts batteries in it and it shoots really crazy. Yeah, you ready?
Let's
go.
get straight to it.
All right, so what we got up here, we got a couple targets we set up. There's 25, 50, and 100 points each. So this round is worth 400. We're gonna do 3 rounds, and we got different setups for you guys to watch. And we'll see how many points we all get, and we'll see who the winner is gonna be. 3.
Go.
Oh, heck yeah.
I was trying to get boom, boom,
Dang,
boom.
that's crazy.
Did you get any?
No.
And now we have Mom on 3. 1, 2, 3. Sniper.
Oh my gosh.
Kill shot. And are we gonna get one?
Oh. I think I'm
Get
I
one,
think
you
I'm
up? Oh.
I suck. This is a lot harder. Oh, hey, you got one. Hey, at least you got one.
I got a point.
What did you get?
I got a point.
Which
Let's
one?
see. 25.
Hey,
25
good job,
points.
Good job.
High five family back. Round 2. Alright, so now this round we're gonna get 3 shots each, and whatever you get in those 3 rounds is what you get for this
This
round's score, I guess.
So
This
we're gonna shoot it from this stool.
stool right here.
You have to aim off this.
So you get 3 rounds to hit that, and we'll see what we get this time. We did pretty bad on that last round. Not gonna lie.
Yep. Oh!
Ooh.
Nice.
There you go.
Good
Nice.
job.
How many points is that, boy?
I don't know.
Let's go see.
125.
25. 25. And
Only 1 left, huh?
there is 25. 25 and 25.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Mom got 150 points. Hey! 150 points. Let's go. Let's
She
go.
got my
You guys are some shooters. Hey, Target Wars. Target Wars.
Alright, here we go. What do we get? Oh! Oh, hey! Good job.
I'm gonna beat you.
You gonna beat me?
Yeah.
You gonna beat me? Ah! Alright, and now we have Adrian for round 3. We're gonna go with 11 shots. And we'll see. There's a total of 450 points up there. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah! The balls are coming back! The jab? Ah! They're coming back! You gotta get one! Come on, let's... Hey! There you go!
Is that it?
Is that all you have?
Yeah.
Got all of them?
Wait, hold on.
You got one more? Got one more in the chamber? Ah!
Good job, you got one.
Good job. High five. Yeah.
Let me go.
What score was that?
Which one was
What point was that?
50.
50? You got 50 points. Yeah. Let's go. 50 points for Adrian.
Get all the balls.
50 points. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, boy. All right. Round
Gonna
three.
set.
Round three for mom. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Get one.
Yay, mom's good. Ooh. Ah, we're gonna get hit.
That's it.
Ah, I got hit by one.
I'm out.
I got hit by one too in the head.
Oh.
So what did we get?
It's Claudia with the chance of meatballs here.
And
So
you.
how many do we have up there? These are
You hit 3, so whatever you got.
150.
150 for mom.
You're on my team.
Woo!
Even mom's on my team.
What?
Yeah.
What about me? What about me?
No.
Ow! Ow! Alright, we gotta set it up in a nice straight line. Like we had it. There you go. Where's the... We got one more target.
There's one.
Here's another one.
We got it. Ah! Adrian, do the Fortnite dance. Hey, boy. Hey! That's what the high five family do. Yeah. Oh! There you go.
Let it go. Oh. Oh, you got my dad. Woo!
No!
Oh man, are you out?
Oh!
Oh
Trying to help you.
No!
no.
No!
Except you got one.
What did I get? What did I get? Let's go see. 150?
50?
Ah!
Mom's the winner.
Mom won.
Winner.
Mom won.
How?
I only got 50. What did I get? 50?
I
That's
got
all I got. That's hard. This game
got
is hard.
50. I only got 20.
Alright, let's write it down. 50. So what do we have? 225. Alright guys, well hopefully you liked the video. We had a blast playing this.
It's pretty hard.
It is
It's
really
not
hard.
easy.
It's a lot harder than we thought. We thought it was going to be way easy, but no.
Yeah,
I guess we
no.
just suck at shooting. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment below, and
subscribe to our channel, of course.
right? Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down there. Thanks, high fivers.
See you later.
We'll see you later.
Bye.